It's not sticky.
Action.
Hello. So I just got my geckskin gecko tape
Stuff.
hangers, coat hangers, and we're gonna do an unboxing. It comes with bubble wrap. That's always important. And this is what they look like. A book.
Show it to the camera.
Okay, move it closer.
Right. Oh, it's professional. No, you guys don't know how to do it.
Wow, this is cool. That's pretty cool. It looks exactly like what they look like in their ads. I guess that's pretty expected. Yeah, this is for holding things. Okay, should we... What was that, Ruben? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Is this it?
Wait,
It
hold on.
doesn't work that well.
Is that actually it?
I don't know. I think
No,
so.
I think no.
Oh wait. No, this is it, bro. You're not supposed to take this part off. No.
No?
This is it. It's not sticky at all.
Let me try this. Let me try this. That's pretty sick. This is not sticky at all. One more test.
Okay, wait. Let's read the instructions.
It sucks. This looks.
Okay, wait.
It looks like a piece of foam. It does not look like something that they worked on.
I know. I think we did this wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Peel off liner. Press firmly onto wall. Yeah, that is.
Okay, let's try this.
Okay, so let's try this
It only
right
has 1 pound, so it may not stick very well.
This is so weird. It just looks like a piece of foam.
Yeah.
All right, let's Here, come here. Let's try it in that room on the glass.
On the glass?
Yeah. Oh, just do it on this glass.
Hey!
Okay, who's ready?
It only has 1 pound, so I don't know what you think. Okay.
Press firmly. There's a moment of truth. Alright, let's hang 1 pound.
Wow, that's
This
really
weighs 1 pound. Yo, it freaking works! Okay, so they're rated for 1 pound. I'm assuming that they can go for more. So these are each 1 pound. And we are gonna try this. So I can hold 1 pound. 2 pounds. It's actually really cool. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It just feels like a piece of foam. This is not a scam.
It's not an ad either. We weren't.
We weren't sponsored by them.
This cost like $5.
Oh yeah, it's $25, $24 for 4 of them, $20 for each, and then $4 of shipping.
Look at this.
I mean $20 for 4. Dang, that's really good. That's really crazy. It's just sticking. That is magical. Okay, I am impressed.
No, watch this. We'll take it off. Ready to take it off?
Dang, that works. Carolyn, get me like 3 more water bottles. That's epic. Holy smokes. Come on. It's just sticking. That's cool. I did not expect that. It just felt like a little piece of foam. There's nothing cool on the back, no rainbowy pattern. I expected there to be a rainbow pattern, but there's none. And it's holding 4 times its rated weight. And it's not sticky at all. I stuck it to my forehead. It wasn't sticky. Okay,
Sick.
so far 5 times its rated weight. Holy smokes.
Seems like. It just doesn't say 5 pounds.
Yeah, it says 1 pound. Holy smokes, that's 6 times its rated weight, and it's not even budging. Wow. 7 times its rated weight. Yeah, 7 times its rated weight. Good job. And they say, okay, let's take this off. Let's see if it actually, just peel it off. Oop. Holy smokes. And no residue.
Oh, this feels like...
Still not sticky.
Let's stick it again, just in case. Say I can stick to any surface.
Okay, push it on. Here's our test.
Gecko seems to be able to do this a lot more efficiently.
And dang, just like that, it's perfect. Oh, almost perfect.
What? This thing sucks.
Okay, wait. You probably just didn't do it right. Let's try another. Let's try it on the glass again.
No, the glass.
Steak it's probably best on glass.
Okay, it's best
Also,
on
that
glass.
was his 3 times rated amount. So.
Okay, but still.
Alright, give me the string.
Okay.
It's best because this uses the Van der Waals force, so it's best if it's supposedly not very flat, but it's supposed to be done on flat surfaces. Get the most
Instead
amount
I
of
can hold
surface
on
area.
anything and it obviously can't.
Well, we were doing 3-time rated.
Okay, so let's do 1-time weight. Let's see if we can even
Okay, we'll
stick.
test that out after. Well, this is 3 times rated weight on glass, and that
Glass?
looks great. So yes, it can be stuck and unstuck.
I think glass has
At least
more
on
function.
glass.
I want to take the top. Oh, there.
Meanwhile,
Look, this is gecko tape. It looks like foam.
it just looks like foam. I press it tightly. That looks pretty weird, honestly. It's not
Yeah, it looks
sticking
like
very
it's-
well.
It's not sticking at all. Okay, try it.
That works well. It's rated weight, 100%.
Just stick to here.
That was epic. Can you just take
Try
it
another.
off?
Try another bottle. Try another
Try
bottle.
one more. Yeah, 2 times its rated weight. It's good. Dang, that works. I'm impressed. $5 for one of these. We stuck it off and done it a million times. No residue and no slacking
Yeah, we got 5 of them. Why do we
4 of
want
them
4 of them.
for $25. Okay, cool.
Spray.
Thanks for watching. Take
See
care. Peace
you.
out. Slap like.
Slap a like and subscribe.
No, but you don't have to.